RGB Fan Controller Hub synchronizes lighting, controls speed, and simplifies multi-fan management efficiently. Today's video is about top 5 best ARGB Fan Controller Hub that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at AsiaHorse ARGB Fan Controller Hub. The ASHS1 ARGB Fan Controller Hub is a powerful and versatile solution for managing both lighting and cooling in modern PC builds. It stands out with 20 exclusive preset ARGB effects powered by a dedicated chip, allowing users to instantly transform their setup into a dynamic visual display using the included remote control. A key highlight is its unique color learning technology, which can read motherboard lighting settings and combine them with built-in effects, offering a high level of customization that goes beyond standard ARGB hubs. It also supports Aura Sync mode for seamless integration with motherboard software, ensuring a unified RGB ecosystem. For cooling control, the PWM mode intelligently adjusts fan speeds based on system temperature, balancing performance and noise for optimal airflow. The remote provides easy access to brightness, lighting speed, and fan speed adjustments with fine control. With 9 PWM and ARGB ports and support for over 400 LEDs, this hub is ideal for advanced, high-performance, and visually rich PC builds. Now our second product is UpHere ARGB Fan Controller Hub. This ARGB Fan Controller Hub is a feature-rich solution designed for both high-performance cooling and stunning visual customization. Its universal compatibility ensures it works even with motherboards that lack 5v3-pin ARGB headers, making it suitable for a wide range of PC builds. A standout feature is its infinity mirror design, which creates a layered light reflection effect that adds depth and a premium aesthetic to any gaming or workstation setup. With support for up to 12 PWM fans and 12 ARGB devices, it offers full simultaneous control, making it ideal for complex cooling systems. The smart buck circuit technology allows seamless speed synchronization between 3-pin and 4-pin fans, ensuring smooth and efficient airflow management regardless of fan type. This flexibility is especially useful for mixed hardware setups. Its magnetic mounting design makes installation simple and tool-free, while multiple brightness and speed modes allow users to fine-tune both lighting and cooling performance. Overall, it is a powerful and visually impressive hub for advanced PC builds. Our third product is Altri ARGB Fan Controller Hub. This 4-pin PWM fan speed controller is a practical and efficient solution for managing multiple cooling fans in PC and DIY setups. It supports most 4-pin PWM fans, making it suitable for desktops, routers, small hosts, and custom cooling systems. The included 4-pin 3-way fan hub allows users to connect multiple fans simultaneously, improving airflow management with ease. One of its key highlights is flexible speed control, offering both remote and manual adjustment from 0% to 100%. The built-in digital display clearly shows real-time fan speed, and the screen lighting can be toggled on or off for convenience, especially in low-access installations. It operates with 12V PD/QC fast charging input and supports up to 60 W total power, ensuring stable performance when used with a proper 12V rated power supply. The included splitter expands connectivity, though total power limits must be observed for safety. Overall, it is a compact, user-friendly, and reliable fan control solution for customized cooling setups. Now number 4, UpHere ARGB Fan Controller Hub. This 10-port all-in-one ARGB and PWM fan hub is a well-designed solution for managing cooling and lighting in modern PC builds. It effectively solves the common problem of limited motherboard headers by offering 10 ARGB ports and 10 PWM fan connections, making it ideal for gaming rigs, workstations, and custom setups. The PWM hub allows synchronized fan speed control to optimize airflow and reduce noise, while ARGB support enables full lighting customization. It is important to note that it works only with 5v3-pin ARGB headers, ensuring proper and safe compatibility with supported motherboards. A standout feature is its smart safety protection system, which provides independent short-circuit and overload protection for each port. This greatly reduces risk and helps protect both the motherboard and connected devices. SATA power input ensures stable performance even under full load, preventing power issues during heavy usage. With a compact magnetic design for easy installation, this hub offers a clean, efficient, and reliable solution for advanced PC cable and fan management. And our last choice is Skolar ARGB Fan Controller Hub. This 10-port ARGB and PWM fan hub is a well-rounded solution for users who want centralized control of both cooling and lighting in a PC build. It supports up to 10 PWM fans and 10 ARGB devices, allowing synchronized management that simplifies cable routing and improves overall system organization. One of its key strengths is the integrated lighting and cooling sync system, where ARGB effects can respond to CPU temperature changes, creating both functional and visual feedback. It also supports major RGB ecosystems like Aura Sync, ensuring smooth motherboard integration. Control flexibility is another highlight, offering remote control, chassis button input, and motherboard synchronization. This makes it convenient for both beginners and advanced builders who want quick or software-based adjustments. The magnetic mounting design adds practicality, allowing tool-free installation and easy repositioning inside the case. Powered via SATA, it ensures stable performance even with multiple connected devices. Overall, it is a feature-rich hub ideal for high-end, RGB-focused, and neatly organized PC builds. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.